Good evening, YouTubers. This is the dirt collector container from my Samsung vacuum cleaner. And it's not made to be picked up by the latching handle, which is why this connector mechanism broke. That spring will go in there. And this you gotta pry these little things out to get this off. And my super glue, I went to open this one, it was froze solid. And I grabbed the new one out of the pack, and I couldn't get the top off it. So I stabbed a hole in there, and that was extra thick. Bottom line is, I got it to stick here, and once this dries, I'm going to load up the inside here with JB Weld here, gob it on really thick. And if that don't hold and work when I reassemble it, then I'll fix it by lifting the lid up on my garbage can and throwing the whole thing in. God bless the YouTubers. I hope your repair videos are going better than mine.